Hey there, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Hope you guys are doing good. In this tutorial we are going to design this amazing nav item together. So let's get started. This is the image I am going to use for my background. Now first I am going to take a frame tool, hit F, and here is the preset version. I am going to do desktop version. Here is my desktop. I want to place this image in this desktop frame. So drag this image and place it. Okay. I want to resize this image a little bit. Nice. I want to dark this image. So like this. I guess it's okay. Okay, let's side this desktop frame. And now I want to create this nav item. So first let's get the type tool. And I want this font size 40. And let's type home. And I want fonts Roboto and font weight bold. And I want to use icon. So let's open the plugins. Fontosum icon. I need 4 icons. Home, user, envelope. Maybe it's not there, so I have to search it. It's taxi. Okay, close this plugin. Here is my 4 icons. Okay. I want to align them and I want to resize this icon. Let's first change its color. I want home and icon color red. Something like that. Okay. And I want to resize these icons first. So hit K. I guess it's okay. Okay, my icon is ready. My text is ready. I am going to change this text color. Same icon color. Okay. Let's create a component. Add auto layout. So in this way I can change their space just like that. Okay, I want its space 20 pixel. Okay. And here I don't want to show all of them icons. So what we can do, we can hide other 3 icons just like that. Okay. Now go to the asset panel and drag this back to the layer panels. I want a rectangle. This rectangle width should be 460 pixel and height 100 pixel. And this rectangle should be under the nav item. Now we can create frame. So frame selection. This is my frame. And I want to create a component and a variant. This is my first component. And I want this rectangle color also my icon color. I don't want this rectangle, so here's the pass through. I want this opacity 0. So it's going to be hide. And the second one, its color also the red color, and its width I want 3 pixel and height 20 pixel, and it should be center. I want to add another variant. In this variant I want rectangle height 100 and it also should be center. I want another variant. In this variant I want a rectangle width back to the 460 pixel, and my text color should be white, as well as icon colors also should be hide. Here is other 3 icons. These icons also should be white. Let's hide those icons again. Now it's time for prototype. Let's do the prototype. I want this while hovering. Change smart animate is in 100 millisecond. And the second one, it's also while hovering. Smart animate time should be 150 millisecond. And the third one, it's going to be after delay 1 millisecond, 200 millisecond. And the last one, going to the first one, it's going to mouse leave and 250 millisecond. My prototyping is done. Now again back to the asset panel. Here is my component. I want to copy this, so hold Alt and drag this like that and press Ctrl D, Ctrl D. Now change its text and its icon also. I don't want this home icon, I want user icon. Okay. And this one should be services and icon should be taxi. And the last one, contact. Now just select the desktop frame and hit the play button. Let's fix the screen first. Fill screen. If you are interested in how to code this design, I added a link in the description below.